In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Rust on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that we quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overpaying, of course. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time here because we are only searching it up. Search the game up, Rust, and then select the game. Scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam. €39.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legitly online. So what you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Rust, select it and search for it. After that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now the next step is scrolling a little bit down till you will find a PC version of Rust which can be activated in our country. As you can see, I have found a Rust PC version which can be activated in our country. Make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now select the game and after that you will open the game page, and as you can see we can download it through Steam by purchasing this game on this website for just €11.47 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money, and once you have purchased this game you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.